Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I don't know if you can tell, but I did something new, so stay tuned so that you can see what I did. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to try something new. Yes, I don't have any makeup on or anything today, but I decided to go get some eyelash extensions to see how that was gonna go. And I loved it. It went really good. As y'all can see, I love them. It took about a little over 2 hours. I want to say about 2.5 hours. It was awesome. I felt like a little kid in there moving around, couldn't be still. You know, it was awesome. I love the look, so to me it is very much worth it. Next time she asked me if I needed any pillows for my back, I did, but I was like, no, I think I could handle this. Oh man, it's not anything that she was doing. I've just, because I'm overweight and since having the children, my back is just out of whack. And you know, there's those type of things in life, you know, stuff like that, getting older, so your back is out of whack. So that's just what I wanted to show you guys today. So don't forget. Okay guys, so I'm finished with my eyelashes. I don't know if you can tell, but looks like mine. They're just really full now. I love them. So after you guys have watched it, what do you guys think? I absolutely love the outcome of my eyelashes. They are amazing. I feel really pretty with them on. Natural look. I didn't want anything that was going to be super long or even out of the ordinary. For me, this was great because it just made my eyelashes look thicker. Not longer. I didn't want anything longer. I just wanted something thicker. So don't forget to tell me what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm telling you, you want to be a part of the Tiara Chappell 04 tribe. I mean, we're just doing things on here. So, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Till next time. Bye. Mama's getting some freckles. What do you guys think? I love them. Very natural looking. Not heavy. Feels like my regular eyelashes. I'm in.